Hi mate, this is an instructional video on how to put an end on Cat6 or Cat5 cable. Cut it. Strip it. Don't cut too deep. Cutting deep's bad. Separate your colors. I don't talk much during my videos. Hope you don't mind. Expect you to watch this all the way through. Now this here's some special cable. There's a solid clear thing in the middle of this. I've never had that before. Cut that puppy out. You know what I mean? Let's say the color code together. White, orange, orange, white, green, blue, like my shirt, white, blue, green. It's me straightening out the cable. Brown. Don't be racist about that. It's just a color cable, okay? You know, white, brown. White doesn't have to come first. It could be brown, white, brown, okay? Don't get all racist on me. Keep this video away from HR after that comment, you know what I mean? Then trim evenly. Kids will step on that later. White, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green. White, brown, brown. Insert. Oh. Yeah. Oh, see, I have plenty. So I'm going to trim some more. Hazard for the kids. Enjoy that. Let them cry about something. There we go. Oh. All the way to the end. Crimp tool. Oh, I've never had an upside down one before.